Do you want to generate unlimited AI photos free of cost? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I believe you are doing great. I'm fine as well. In this video, I will let you know how you can generate unlimited AI photos free of cost. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, open your computer or smartphone browser and then search Grok AI. Then you will see the Grok AI website. Open Grok AI website in new tab. Then you have to log in into your Grok AI account. You can create Grok AI account with your Gmail or any other email. I have created my account and then you will see the box. In this box, you can write your prompt, but I already have created prompt in ChatGPT. So I will just copy the prompt and paste it here. After entering your prompt, you have to hit enter and then processing will start. Grok AI is very fast. In few seconds your picture will be generated and you can see the processing has been started and there we go. The picture is generated and you can see the quality of the picture is very good. You can download these pictures and use it on your social media, or you can also create short videos with these pictures as well. So I will again copy another prompt to generate one more image. So here is the prompt. I will copy it and paste it in the Grok AI and I will hit enter and again processing has been started. Grok AI is very fast picture generator and here we go, picture has been generated and now I can download these images as well in my PC and you can see the quality of the picture is very good. So dear friends, this is how you can generate unlimited AI photos free of cost. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos like this and click on the notification bell as well. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.